Just singing down there.
Hands up like this.
Say hi.
We're on camera.
Oh my gosh. Hello friends, welcome back to Shesinherapron.
Good thing I had my pants on.
Thank goodness, I know. Half the time I'm walking around here pantless. Well guys, I am starting off this vlog where I left you all on the last Housewife life.
Well, we really need to get healthy. We can't talk anymore.
I know. Thursday, we're so tired. So to catch you up, we have spent today is Sunday, preparing for our keto diet that we are starting tomorrow. So I'm making up my menu for tomorrow. Okay, I got Derek and I's breakfast ready for day one of keto. And we have, each portion is the same except mine has one less piece of bacon. So we have 3 eggs scrambled up with some spinach and portobello mushrooms, bacon, and a half of an avocado. So I'm here at Neater's to meet Tiffany and Katie to have lunch. So I got these totes from Bath & Body Works during Christmas when they were doing their huge sale on Black Friday, and if you spend so much, you got to pick a tote, and inside the tote are lotions and candles, all these goodies. So I got one for each of them, and I'm so excited. And today is Katie's birthday, so how fun is that? Okay, now I'm heading into Ulta to get me some more of this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, Potion in Eden. You guys want a good primer? I'm really liking this a lot. You can wear cheap eyeshadow and it keeps it on. I love this. So I am pretty much out, so I'm gonna run in and grab some more of that. Here's what I grabbed from Ulta. I grabbed, of course, more of the primer. And then this palette right here by Revlon Revolution. Oh, these colors are stunning, and I don't think the camera is giving it justice. So if you want to know the name, there you go, Palette Iconic 2. And this was cheap. This was $7, and the girl at the register said, "You're gonna love this eyeshadow. It's one of my favorites, and it'll last you a long time." So between the primer and this, awesome. Hello, hello. I feel like I haven't talked to you for a while. It's been really weird. Like yesterday, I didn't pick up the camera at all. So, well, I just got done filming for the I Am Mom Summit that I'm in. So you guys, the link is below. Tune in. It's a free like weekend webinar. It's called I Am Mom Summit, and there's a whole bunch of women, like 30+ women who are speaking at this, where you can get some tips and tricks on motherhood, some inspiration, and I am so excited and just I'm honored that they asked me to be a part of it. So definitely tune in. I'm speaking on how routines for mom and family can create calmness and confidence. So as a woman with anxiety and ADHD, I thought, I think I need to talk about this. So, but yeah, the link is below. Register, it's for free. Oh my gosh, I would love for you to tune in. I'm excited to see what all the other moms are bringing to the table, for sure. Okay, it is a cold, dreary January day, and I'm like, really? I need some sunshine. Do you guys have sun? Probably not. It's raining like half the country, my gosh. I know you wanted to know how we're doing on keto. We're doing pretty good. We're on day 3, and I'm not hungry. What? Yeah, I'm not hungry. I'm doing good. I'm not getting headaches. I'm keeping up on sodium. I'm really following the program, and I'm doing good. I'm feeling really good right now. I feel like I'm a little more awake in the brain, which is good. So yeah, we'll just keep plugging along. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I will say I am missing my Coca-Cola. I won't lie. I love that stuff so much, but I'm doing good. Doing good. Ugh. I love doing towels. It's like, I've said it a million times here on the channel, but like, it's so satisfying because it's the most easiest chore. And I just, so if I don't know where to start, what to do first, and I feel overwhelmed, even in my routine, I could still feel overwhelmed with my routines. I love starting off with either putting the towels away or starting a batch of them. It just gets the like momentum going, and I just absolutely love it. I could do towels all day long. Okay, have you emptied your dishwasher from last night? I try to make that the first thing I do in the morning. Sometimes it's not always the case, but having an empty dishwasher in the morning, you could put everything in the sink in the dishwasher, so your sink is empty throughout the day. I too struggle with this, but it is an amazing part of your routine that will definitely make you feel good and lessen your anxiety. Shaylee's helping dust. Thanks, girl.
Is this right up here?
Yeah, you could do that.
Are you gonna move this?
No, I'll do the top shelf. But Mama is trying to get this house back together after Christmas, so Shaylee is helping me dust the fireplace.
I did this.
Thanks, Shaylee. Woohoo, Shaylee. Oh, I've been slowly putting my kitchen back together since Christmas, and it's just been chaotic with us getting ready for keto, and oh my gosh, I've had 2 projects I've been working on. It's been nuts. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm always redecorating my house, like always. I'll move things and shift things constantly. So this is what I got going on over here. And my window cloth is drying. I got from my friend Tiffany at lunch the other day this sea salt citrus gentle foaming hand wash and the apron that I have on. And then she got me a candle. It's over by the fireplace. But here we go. I've got the windowsill all set up and back. It's so refreshing. I mean, I haven't seen my decorations since August. I've had Halloween up, then the fall decorations, and then Christmas. So when it comes this time of year, it's just so refreshing. Oh, I just love it. And then we've got this new big fruit bowl that I actually got at the DI, which is a thrift store, for $2. Oh my goodness. I was so excited about that. And then I just got this over here. So that's the kitchen, and it feels good. Up here, I've got some candles. I have some more stuff to put up here though. But I am feeling so good in the kitchen now that it's like back to normal. It just feels so good. Boston's just making himself some hot chocolate with the Keurig machine. He was so excited to come home and do it.
I messed up.
It's okay, we got it to work though, huh? Yeah.
Don't.
Is it cold outside?
Yeah, do not press start when you first see things like hot chocolate. Don't hurry and press it, it won't work.
That's right.
And guys, I'm doing math.
You're doing math right now? Good job. All right, let it continue dripping, and it says wait, so. Oh.
It unclogs.
Yeah.
Trying to unclog.
Okay, be careful. This gets really hot. I'm like surprised on how hot this gets. So, do you need ice cubes?
Sometimes if the water's super hot, now I can take it.
Okay, be careful. Can I carry it to the table so you don't burn yourself? Thanks. Okay.
I can carry it.
Okay, it is 4:30 in the afternoon the next day, and I am finally unloading my dishwasher. My day has been crazy. Hey, I'm thawing out some hamburger in the microwave, and I think we're gonna make some Salisbury steaks tonight for dinner. Busy day today. I've been working on 2 projects, the Mom Summit and Millennial Moms, and then we left to go to an appointment with Jonah, and by the time I got home with that, it was time to pick up the kids from school, and I'm finishing up projects and now working on dinner. Hey, you didn't give me any after school oven when you got home. There's a real problem. Get over here. You did good with Jonah playing basketball. You got some good scoops in.
Yeah.
I love you. Did you have a good day too?
Yeah. Last day with Mrs. Whitman.
Was it sad?
Yeah, some people, somebody made a song for her.
That was nice.
It was like, I forgot to ask you, can we buy some donuts?
Oh, that would have been cute.
I forgot.
That would have been cute. Oh, this is bright. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna unload this dishwasher. So Derek just got home from work. Look how handsome. Would you just look at it? And he brought home a bunch of goodies from his mom's house. His mom and dad have been doing keto for a very long time. And she brought us some sample of some things to help us nibble on when we are in a fit and want like something sugary or whatnot. But some ideas of things that we can make. So what do we have here, Derek?
So I can't remember what she
Did I
calls
say this is keto? Did I say?
I think so.
Oh, yeah, this is for us on keto.
This is cloud bread. It's stuck together. We gotta stick it in the freezer. It's not good. 1 net carb each.
Okay.
It's really good to like make an egg McMuffin or something out of.
Oh.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, I'm gonna be digging in.
I need to ask her what this one is.
Yeah, the micros, whatever they're called.
These are the almond cookies.
They look
Not
good.
bad. 4 grams of fat.
They all look good. Oh.
1 carb, 9 protein.
Oh yeah. More of that bread.
More of the.
Is that peanut butter, like almond butter?
Yes, this is a almond butter cookie.
Oh.
4 grams of fat. 2 protein.
I want that.
1.5 net carbs.
I want that.
And this is sort of like a fat bomb. This is your 10 grams of fat, 1 carb, and 1.5 protein. I had one of these. These are delicious.
Oh my gosh, what's this?
Okay, this is like a enchilada without the enchilada.
It looks scary.
So it's got your cheese, your cream cheese, some jalapeno, bacon, chicken. And that's it.
And then a stuffed pepper.
And then a cream cheese with some cheddar cheese on top, stuffed pepper.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I want
So
one of
these are for
these.
you for lunch if you want tomorrow.
What are you gonna do?
So I want you to try them.
Okay.
You can have one for dinner tonight and one for.
I'm eating this right now because it is that time of the day where I want to consume every sugary,
What's
crunchy.
crunch? You're gonna go for those? Tell me how it is. I haven't tried that
Okay,
one.
I'm gonna try this. It's good.
Is your mind playing tricks on you? Because it wants the other one.
It's waiting for the sugar. Slap your taste buds with. But actually, it's really good. But it's like, yeah, my brain and my tongue want that sugary note right at the end. But it tastes sugary, but not. It's really good. Yeah, that's good. I'll finish that. I'm so hungry.
Oh, don't forget pancakes.
Oh yeah.
1 carb each. That's it. 1 net carb.
How are you feeling today?
Doing okay. Had to pee a lot because I've been drinking so much freaking water. I'm almost done with my 3rd one of these 44-ounce babies.
Whoa. It really is good.
And by the way, I didn't buy 3 of these. I bought 1 and reused it.
Oh my word.
It's like a no-bake cookie.
Oh yeah. Oh, this will do it in the afternoon for me. That coconut. Oh, this will do it for me in the afternoon. These. Holy crap. Yeah. This might be my saving grace. That's good. Oh my gosh, I'm so attracted to my husband right now. Look what he just made. Keto Salisbury steak. Oh, he took our recipe, altered it, and we have some rice cauliflower rice. Oh, would you just stop? Would you just look at it? It is so good. Oh, the flavor is amazing. I'm impressed, babe.
Gotta do whatever I can do to keep you impressed.
Oh, I rubbed my eye. I gotta take off my makeup, but we are just settling in for the night. Well, almost settling in for the night. Kids don't have school tomorrow or Monday, so I put on a movie for Shaylee and I, and we're watching Snow White, and we're cuddling on the couch. Look at us. We are sharing a blankie. You're right.
Teddy Ted.
You got your Teddy Ted.
For me.
I see it.
Stop. Get your turn done.
Look at that motley crew playing games.
He's not so big.
Callie just got home from the movies with her friend. She's downstairs. So we're just gonna watch a little and then go to bed soon.
You're like,
I think you're tired and don't remember your first turn because you were watching the TV. All right, what do you want to do?
Their game is getting super intense.
You got greens.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me these last few days. Really appreciate it. Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye, because I can't move my head.
Bye. Thanks so much for joining us this week, and
I'm
we
just
will
gonna
see
bite
you soon.
just-
Bye.
Doodle.
Say toodle.